Hey there. Did you know you make about 35,000 decisions every single day? That's a ton, right? Each one shapes your life, changes your future, and decides how far you'll go. But let's be honest, most of us don't think much about these choices. We just go with our gut or let emotions take over. In this guide, we're going to use Stoic philosophy to make smarter choices, grow faster, and stay calm, no matter what life throws at you. Stoicism can totally change how you live. Feeling overwhelmed? This might be the fresh start you need. So, stick with me. Let's get stronger together. A. Focus on fewer, better things. The Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius had this awesome saying, "Do less, but do it well." Now, this isn't about being lazy. Nope. It's about pouring your energy into what really matters. If you're juggling too many things, you're just wasting effort. Focus on one big goal, and you'll unlock your true power. Pick your big goal. Find one thing that lights you up, something that matches what you value most. Maybe it's starting a business or becoming a better version of yourself. Whatever it is, make it clear and specific. Line up your actions. Write that goal down. Put it where you'll see it every day. Then, for every choice you make, ask yourself, does this get me closer to my goal? It's a game changer. It keeps you on track with what you really want, not just what feels good right now. B. Stay motivated in life's chaos. Picture your life like a boat on a wild, stormy ocean. Waves crash, winds shift, and it's easy to lose your way. Without a strong reason to keep going, you might even tip over. Stoic philosophy is like your anchor. It guides you through any storm. Find your why. Check out books by Stoic thinkers like Seneca, Epictetus, or Marcus Aurelius. Their words are like a roadmap for handling anger, dealing with loss, or just living a good life. You can also watch videos like this one for some extra inspiration. Make it a daily thing. Try this every morning. Think about a Stoic quote. Or at night, jot down one Stoic idea. Find what clicks with you, what makes you feel calm and strong. Make it your own. Your personal why keeps you steady, no matter how crazy life gets. C. Work harder for huge results. Stoics are all about discipline. What you do today shapes your tomorrow. And here's the cool part. If you put in more effort the smart way, your progress can skyrocket. Boost your progress. Let's say you're learning a language. 1 hour a day? That's good. But bump it to 2 hours, and your progress doesn't just double, it leaps forward. This works for anything: work, fitness, personal goals. More effort means bigger wins. Be smart about it. Don't just work harder, work smarter. Stay focused, keep it consistent, and approach it with a calm, clear mind, not stress or panic. D. Picture your success. Imagine this. You're handling tough moments with stoic calm and hitting your goals with a big smile. Visualizing success is powerful. It keeps you motivated and helps you stay focused. Try it, it really works. E. Get ready for problems. Stoicism says, expect challenges, but trust you can handle them. Think about what could go wrong and picture yourself solving it calmly. It's like mental training. It builds your strength for life's ups and downs. F. Plan your days. Stoicism isn't just about dealing with life's surprises. It's about being ready for them. Planning your day ahead sets you up to act with purpose. Plan like a pro. Every night, think about tomorrow. What tasks matter most? Pick the ones that support your big goal. Write them down. Think about possible hiccups and how you'll handle them. Make a plan that fits you and stick to it. Check in and tweak. Take a moment to look at how you're doing, rethink your goals, and adjust your actions. It's a simple habit that makes you way more productive. Like Marcus Aurelius said, be a good person, don't just talk about it. G. Keep expectations real. Figure out what you can control and what you can't. Focus on what's in your hands and stop stressing about the rest. Stoics have this trick called premeditatio malorum, thinking about what could go wrong. It gets you ready for anything, cuts down on frustration, and keeps you focused on what you can do. H. Build awesome habits. Stoicism helps you create order in a messy world. Good habits mean you don't have to keep making tough choices, so you've got energy for bigger things, like growing as a person or helping others. Create and tweak habits. Look at your habits now and then make them better if you need to. Use feedback to keep them useful and in line with Stoic values. This steady improvement puts your time and energy where it counts. Share the load wisely. Pass on tasks that others can do just as well or better. This lets you focus on where you shine. Delegation isn't about dumping work. It's about knowing your limits. Pick the right person, set clear expectations, and check in with them. It builds trust, gets more done, and creates a team that's got your back. Hang out with great people. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, folks who share your values and push you to be better. Learn from them, build connections that help you grow, and give back just as much. These relationships make you stronger and keep you committed to being your best self. Wrapping it up, keep challenging yourself with small stuff. It builds your strength and helps you find a community that lifts you up. Stoicism gives you a clear path to a better, more meaningful life. By living these ideas, you can tackle life's craziness with wisdom, strength, and peace. It's not about being perfect, it's about progress. So, embrace Stoic wisdom and let it guide you to a better you. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you like this, give it a thumbs up or drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you.